How to read aloud any document text on Word, like text speech. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable the text to speech on Word easy and fast so you can read and listen to any document as audio book. So all what you have to do is go to Word. Now choose the document that you want to read loud, for example this one, and now go to the top corner right here as you can see and click on it, and now choose read aloud option. Click on it like this.
Date. Title. Heading 1.
Now as you can see it's reading the document easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.